Today in this tutorial we will learn how to solve a simple algebraic equation within the MATLAB platform. So here you can see two windows. One is the M file window, that is editor dash untitled, and the below one, that is command window. So for this topic we will use the command window. So first of all we have to learn what an algebraic equation is. So we know that x plus 4 is equal to 0 is actually a very simple algebraic equation. Here x is a variable, 4 is a constant, 0 is also a constant, and equal is equal to and plus are actually the operation sign. So we can say that this is a simple algebraic equation. So here we can use the command solve, which will solve this algebraic equation and will give us the right answer. So you can press enter. Here you can see that our answer is -4. So you can solve some other algebraic equation like you can write x, or you can use y plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 20. So we can enter it and we got the answer, that is 10 by 3. When we yeah, you got the answer here. So by this you can solve the simple form of algebraic equation. Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching.